Good morning, Mr. Ivan. Good morning, policeman. We have 8 disease caused by tobacco. But let me introduce myself. My name is Afif Pramudia Anatma. And then here, my group will explain 6 disease caused by tobacco. The first one is ischemic heart disease. We call it also like heart attack. The second is cerebrovascular disease. We call it as stroke. The third is lower respiratory disease. This is a disease that attack your lung. And chronic obstructive pulmonary disease is also attack your lung. And tuberculosis, or we call it as TBC, and of course, many people know about this. And the last one is lung cancer. Of course, cancer is very dangerous for our body because tobacco is one of cause cancer, and this way, and my partner will explain this disease clearly in the next part. What is tobacco? Tobacco is a plant that include in the genus Nicotiana. Tobacco can live in many countries that have tropical weather climates such as Indonesia. And of course we know that tobacco is the main ingredients to make cigarettes. And we have some quotes that say, put down your cigarettes before cigarette will put you down. Why we take this quote, and my friend will explain in the next part. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Baus Wijaksono. I explain to you about the disease caused by tobacco. Its name is ischemic heart disease. Ischemic heart is a disease characterized by blood supply reduced to heart, because ischemic means blood supply reduced. Smoking is a major cause of this disease, because the tobacco that contained in the cigarette constricts the blood vessels. If the blood vessels has been blocked, then the blood which contain and oxygen not flow to the heart. So the heart is lack of blood supply. That's my explanation, my presentation, and here, and I hope my information that given to all of you is useful. Never try to smoke or quit your smoking activity, because you know how dangerous this disease is. That's from me. Thank you.
Okay, good morning everybody. My name is Andika Faturaman, and now I want to tell you about cerebrovascular disease and the connection between cerebrovascular disease and smoking and tobacco use. There are several risk factors associated with cerebrovascular disease. With some of these risk factors are non-modifiable, such as advancing age, male gender, and previous history of stroke or heart problems. And the others depends on lifestyle and can be altered to reduce risk for the condition. In this case, smoking can significantly raise the risk for cerebrovascular disease due to the toxins. These toxins can cause damage to this vasculature that supplies the brain. The habit raises blood pressure. Smoking 20 cigarettes a day is thought to increase the chance of having stroke by 6 times. Medications are available to help smokers to stop smoking. Thank you.
Good morning everybody, my name is Randika. Today I will present you the disease caused by tobacco. Its name pulmonary disease. In one cigarette, it contains about 1 milligram nicotine get into your lung. Nicotine cannot be processed in your lung. It will make some liquid as a product. Every liquid has a hydrogen particle, that is H2O. That is very dangerous when you have hydrogen in your lung. For example, when we breathe in, the O2 get into your lung, and when we breathe out, CO2 get out from your lung. CO2 and H2O will reaction become H2CO3 or as we know, hydrocarbonate trioxide. That is toxin, very dangerous toxin. You can see this reaction in here. It will cause you to breathe heavily and tired fastly. So it's so dangerous. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Edward and all of my friends. My name is Asari. I will be presenting about respiratory disease. Do you know acute lower respiratory infection are a leading cause of sickness both for children and for adults? The definition of acute lower respiratory infection usually includes bronchitis and bronchiolitis. In most cases, bronchitis caused by the same virus that cause influenza. The virus contained in 1 million droplets that came out when someone coughs or cough or sneezing. But bronchitis also triggers by breathing in irritant substance. But do you know that smoking is the main cause of the chronic or long-term bronchitis? More than 90% of 7.6 million Americans have been cigarette smokers, but it doesn't mean that every smoker will get bronchitis. So, in this part, bronchitis will go to your lungs because of virus. Virus go to the mucus, and mucus will contaminate with the multiply virus that it's hard to breathe. Thank you.
Good morning, Mr. Ebert and all of my friends. My name is Prayogi Novianto. I would like to tell you about lung cancer. Smoking can cause lung cancer due to harmful substances such as carcinogen in tobacco that damage in the lung. Over time, the damaged cell into cancer in addition. Lung cancer can also caused by how someone has been smoking a number of cigarettes. So, stop smoking greatly reduce the risk of a person developing lung cancer. Thank you for attention.